Today I'm cooking a super simple and delicious fishball glass noodle soup. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 220 grams of fish balls, 100 grams of minced chicken, 60 grams of dry glass noodles soaked in the water for 20 minutes, 1 liter of water, 30 grams of sayur manis or any leafy greens, 80 grams of fish fuchok or bean curd sheet with fish paste, 65 grams of tofu puff, 70 grams of shiitake mushroom, 30 grams of carrot cut to strips, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried shallots, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. The full list of the ingredients are in the See More link. Cut the glass noodles. Pick up the whole bunch and cut it into half for easy consumption. Next, marinate the minced chicken. Put half of the salt on the minced chicken and marinate. Turn the minced chicken to the other side. Sprinkle the other half of the salt and marinate. Now we can go and cook it. Switch on the heat. Put the minced chicken in the pot. Add in about 50 ml of water. We will cook the minced chicken with just a bit of water so that it's easier to break any clumps of minced chicken. With a little bit of water, the chicken can cook very fast. After 1.5 minutes, the chicken has changed color to gray and it's no longer red. Add in the balance of water, carrot, shiitake mushroom, pepper, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Stir and mix until the soup and seasoning are well combined. Cover the pot and bring it to boil. After 5 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Next, add in the tofu puff. Give it a stir. Add in the glass noodles, fish balls. Give it a stir. And vegetable. Give it a couple of mix. Cover the pot and cook it for 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, the soup is boiling again. All ingredients should be cooked. Now I can give it a taste. Yes, it's delicious and very flavorful. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. But for this, it's already perfect. Switch off the heat. A super simple fishball glass noodle soup is ready. Let's dish out and serve. Garnish with crispy fried fuchok on the side and fried shallots for a lovely fragrance. Serve immediately once cooked as the glass noodle tend to expand in size and absorb the soup. Let's eat! Oh wow! The soup is so tasty and flavorful. Every ingredient in this soup goes so well together. Delicious! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!